What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best skeleton watches according to their budget, performance, comfort, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Therefore, without further ado, let's begin. At first, we have the Maurice LaCroix ML206. With a wide steel case that fits wrist sizes larger than typical and a traditional skeleton design for the automatic caliber ML206 within, the Maurice LaCroix Masterpiece Skeleton straddles the line between athletic and dressy. The chronograph, which is the piece's distinguishing feature, is integral to the design language since it blends in with the other components of the skeletonized display, rather than standing out. While assuring great performance and longevity, the automatic movement and its supporting framework are exquisitely adorned, and the intriguing open work dial of this distinctive clock has a gentle but powerful appearance, making it the ideal daily companion. This masterpiece skeleton is available in 3 variations: the all-silver one shown here, one with a steel case and a silver and blue dial, and one with an 18-karat gold bezel. Tissot T0704051641100. Next is from Tissot. Another excellent skeleton watch on the lower end of the price range is the Tissot T-Complications Skeleton, which is manufactured in Switzerland. It combines painstaking craftsmanship with a sleek, contemporary style. The hand-wound mechanical skeleton movement is visible through the dial, giving the wearer the chance to admire the intricate nature of watchmaking without sacrificing a trendy, modern appearance. This opulent-looking timepiece is expertly crafted with fine finishing and spectacular design elements. The Swiss-made T-Complication Skeleton has a 43mm casing constructed of stainless steel. Plus, this fantastic timepiece, which comes with a black leather band, has the extra benefit of being adaptable enough to match with just about any outfit. Next up, we have the Hamilton Jazzmaster. The Hamilton Jazzmaster Viewmatic Skeleton Gent Auto Skeletonization motif highlights the company's renowned craftsmanship and unwavering precision. This watch shows the escapement, hairspring, and barrel, demonstrating how hard it works to maintain accurate time. This Hamilton watch has an open-back 40mm stainless steel case, in keeping with the brand's dedication to design. It is the ideal choice for modern men looking for a sleek and attractive watch because of its sophisticated and modern appearance, as well as its polished piece also has a 50mm water-resistant rating for any gentleman who frequently finds themselves near water. The Invicta Russian Diver, an homage to an older timepiece of the watchmaker that was released in 1959 and was at the time commissioned by the Russian Naval Fleet, is a watch that is quite interesting in general. It's big, as in 51mm case diameter big, so make sure you've got enough wrist for this hefty timepiece. Pull-push crown with the big screw-down lid is very remarkable, and given that the dial is almost completely absent, the skeleton movement's brilliance is clearly seen. Despite having the word diver in its name, the watch only has 50mm water-resistant certification, which is enough for a diving watch. Hamilton 8725855535. Next is Hamilton 8725855535. The multi-level dial of the khaki Field Skeleton Auto proudly displays its automatic movement, which it has nothing to conceal. For extra elegance, it has a light brown leather strap, a black skeleton dial, and an automatic self-wind movement. Even more, it is water-resistant up to 165 feet and has a 42mm case diameter, making it suitable for any environment. Lastly, we have the Fossil Grant Automatic. The timeless design of the Grant line ensures that it is constantly in vogue, and Fossil's each watch has a structural stainless steel casing and contemporary Roman numerals created to provide the dial artistic balance and symmetry. It comes in a variety of color combinations and strap materials. Plus, it also boasts an analog 3-hand display, an automatic mechanical movement, and a skeleton dial that shows the watch's delicate, manually put-together inner workings. On top of that, it is even water-resistant to a depth of 50 meters, making it appropriate for brief bouts of recreational swimming and showering, but not for diving or snorkeling. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.